guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing a look that is inspired by my friend's art. I'm going to be doing something along the lines of this. So go ahead and follow her on Instagram. Her name is Camelita. She is an artist and her Instagram name is greencamel69. So yes, let's get into it. The things that I'm going to be using in this video are my True Match foundation in the color W7. And I love this foundation because it really is a true match. Like, it just blends into my skin tone. The next product that we're going to be using is this Maron makeup. And this is paint. I am also going to be using this Jaclyn Hill palette, Ring the Alarm. And I am going to be using this color on camera. I love this color. This whole palette, I just love. It just looks good on me and everything. I just love this palette. I'm going to use on camera and mix it in with this NYX Wicked Lippy in the color Stone Cold. I'm also going to be using this premium brush set that I found at Sam's. It's just like for my paint and everything. So I'm gonna see how this works out. I just opened it. I haven't used these before. And then I have my beauty blenders that I got from Morphe. This is a Jeffree Star one and this is just a Morphe one. So in this video, I am not going to be talking. I'm just going to be in the zone and doing my makeup, and if I have something that I need to tell you guys or I feel like needs to be shared, then I will come in real quick and say that. But other than that, I'm just going to try to concentrate on what it is that I'm doing. I haven't done anything like this before, so I'm excited to try it, and I hope that it comes out good, and I hope that it gives her piece justice. So let's go ahead and start this video. this is the final look, inspired by Camelita. All right, so I was like, since I'm right here, my mouth is so dry, okay. I was like, since I'm right here, then I might as well put like a little bit of jewels and stuff on here real quick. The thing about it is that I don't have clear lash glue. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna just have to take my Black Kiss lash glue. These are all in my mail kit. I have these little rhinestones and stuff here. So I'm gonna take some of those, and then I also have some here. So I'm just gonna put some on, and we'll see how well this goes. So proud of me right now. I wonder if he's gonna have something to say though, because he always has something to say. I try to record him when I go down to show him. We'll record what he says. I don't know what he's looking like down there. Let's see. Babe, what do you think about this? Is this it?
Huh?
Is this it?
Yeah, but more.
More? Where?
Where's the big ones?
I just decided to just do like this.
That's nice. But I told you to watch those people. They get wild with it.
I just feel like this is enough.
But you got not for you. Just like what you sell is not for you. For everyone. You did that makeup look for you, for a girl. But now for the people and what they respond to. They respond to that crazy shit. That's what I'm like, are you gonna do like something? Like,
all right.
Yeah. Come here. No. I can't, I let you walk away last time. You can come back with what I want. So we're gonna look at this now. Okay, so what was it supposed to be? Like those ones that ended up on Shade Room. Remember like that girl had her whole face and mouth? All this soft shit. All this soft shit don't get on Shade Room.
All right, let me go see. All right, so I was wrong about that. Okay, so he wants me to do more. All right, so let me think about this and then I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. I have a little inkling about what I'm about to do, but I can't say for sure. All right, so let's get into it. pictures. Okay. So it was Gregory approved. He was all like, yes, yes. That's what he did. I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, T_Michele771L Michelle. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.